Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the rainbow doodle effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to effects. You're going to go to video effects up here and then click on retro. We're going to find it in the beginning of the category. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. And now what we can do is either add it to a part of the clip or we can elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. And I think that's what we're going to do. But before we click play, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the filter. We can mess with the size of the effect and we can mess with the speed and the texture. So let's take a look. And there you have it, the rainbow doodle effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.